Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your specialist. So I'm here with Terry, and so the way that this wall broke loose was not necessarily from anything that was like an installation issue, just rough roads here in California. And so there was no defects in anything. There was nothing that was, that we could say, hey, something was done wrong or whatever. This unit's actually a 7-year-old unit, and so what he's had to do is we picked up a couple T-straps, as you can see right there. And so he screwed those into the wall with, I'm assuming, what'd you use, Terry, like an inch screw or so?
Yeah, they're inch and a quarter.
Inch and a quarter. And those are lath screws. So they got flathead. And so he bent those brackets, and then he actually caught underneath to them.
Tied it into the gusset.
So we kind of went back and forth. We're trying to get this job done as quick as we can for the customer so that they're not too much out of pocket, but we're adding additional lags. What was happening was the wall was pulling loose from the floor. So the
pressure from the slide out too is pulling it
on there, yeah. So there's another one that he's cut and modified to put that in place as well.
Right to the gusset.
So, but anyway, stay tuned for more. We just wanted to do a quick little brief video on what's going on. Go ahead, Terry. I don't mean to slow you down. And so So he pre-drilled that hole, but basically what he's doing is there was only 1, 2 lags, another third one over there in the corner where the metal is over there. I'll zoom in over there so you can see it. So right over there. And that was it. That was the only thing that's holding the wall in place. I don't think there's anything inside of the actual wall itself because it's compressed closed together. So it's just these few bolts. So he's adding, like I said, some new holes, adding a few of those lag bolts in place to hold it, and then silicone everything, and then strapping all down. So he had to take off the S-lock. He had to take off the J-metal. He was able to get the compartment door loose. And you said, Terry, that they went through the...
yeah, I don't know why. I've never seen that. They put long carriage bolts
through the compartment door
frame.
Yeah, maybe just to help try to beef it all in.
I don't know.
So, but anyways, well, stay tuned for more, and we will get back to you as soon as we get this thing buttoned up and done. All right, thanks so much for watching Your RV Specialist. This is Dustin and Terry, and I'm Dustin behind the camera, and this is Terry on the ground, sleeping on the job again, Terry. Man, all righty. Thanks a lot. Have a great one. Bye-bye.